Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing Dnspy and extracting it. There's no installer, so placement matters. Once done, double-click Dnspy, exe to open the UI. This loads the Assembly Explorer panel by default in most builds. If you don't see it, use the View menu to toggle panels. Make sure the target assembly file is accessible because the next step is to add it. You're aiming to work quickly. Open the app, confirm Assembly Explorer is visible, and get ready to load your assembly. Now you bring the assembly into Assembly Explorer. You can drag the DLL or exe onto the Explorer pane. Alternatively, choose File, then Open and pick the file. Once added, Dnspy parses metadata and shows namespaces, types, and resources in a collapsible tree. As it processes, watch for any error messages about missing dependencies. If symbols load correctly, you'll see methods and IL code. After the tree expands, you're ready to inspect modules, types, and resources directly in the Explorer. To finish, double-click a type or method to open the decompiler and read the C hash or IL. This is how you explore implementation quickly. Use right-click actions to save, copy, or export types and resources. This completes typical workflows. If Assembly Explorer disappears or shows nothing, first toggle View, then Assembly Explorer. If that fails, restart Dnspy or reopen the file to refresh the tree. One key tip: ensure dependencies are alongside the assembly because missing references often prevent proper parsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.